If you ever said, dang, why do the roaches keep coming back even after I treat them? They're gone for a little bit, then they come back again. I treat again, they're gone for a little bit, and they come back again. All right, but in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why that is. And it's very simple, so let's get into it. Now, when you treat roaches, it's a very specific way you should be treating them, right? Now, if you're spraying something like a raid and you're spraying and they're going away, and you're thinking, yeah, I won the war, but they keep coming back, you really didn't. All you really did was push them behind your walls, and once that spray dried up or becomes less effective, they come right back out. That's one reason why you're seeing them every time you spray after, like 2 weeks, 3 weeks down the line, you see them again. That's the reason why. Another reason, when you treat that one time and think, oh, I'm done now, I don't see no more, we're good. The reason why you don't see roaches after you treat, you probably knocked down the majority of them, so they're hiding behind the walls because they have still room to be back there. If you're seeing roaches everywhere, that means their nest is so overpopulated, it's spilling out into the rest of the home. So when you start killing them, guess what happens? There's more room in the nest, so they don't need to be outside, right? And roaches are nocturnal. If you're seeing roaches in the day, that's a problem. That's meaning there's so many roaches in their nest, they can't hide no more. That's another reason. You stop too early. You have to keep going. You have to keep going, keep going, keep going. Roaches sometimes take a year to take care of, and that's how it is. It could take 3 months, 4 months, year, whatever it may be, but keep going, right? That's another reason. And then the last reason I want to tell you, if you got an exterminator, you say he sprayed and it went away, I want you to know, they sprayed and they said, okay, no, there's no more, you're good. It's the same effect. They sprayed, they're in hiding now. You think you're good. 3 weeks later, you start seeing them again because they're repopulating. German roaches repopulate at an alarming rate. I believe one capsule can have like 60 to 90 babies, and they need to like 30 days to 3 months to fully mature. Then those fully mature babies having their babies, yeah, at that point, it's going to be a rapid thing. You'll be right back to where you are. That's why I say you need to know exactly how to treat it, how long to treat it, and when to treat it, right? And if you need help with treating roaches, like I said, I have a few community down and below. Go and enjoy that. I am there helping people, answering questions, and I'm here for you to solve your problem with roaches. So if you need that, it's down below. I see you guys there. See ya.